Hello and welcome to the Harriet Muller Art Channel, giving you the techniques to produce amazing artwork. Today I'm super excited as our children's picture book, Allie, Raj and the Difficult Monster, has just been published on Amazon. And in order to celebrate, I thought I would share how I did one of the illustrations with you. It's this one, it's my favourite illustration of the mother with Allie. So get yourself some plain white paper. You'll need a pencil, an eraser and a black pen. That's it. And if you'd like to find out more about the book, there's a link in the description below. So let's get started. We're going to start off our mother and child very simply with a big circle at the top. You can draw around something if you find it easier, or use a compass, or just draw freehand. It does not have to be perfect. It just needs to be kind of a circular shape like this. There we go. Next to it, we're going to be drawing a kind of rectangle shape. So from this little point here, I'm just going to come straight down. Okay, going to come across there and then down like this, and then across and then up. Okay, just about here, we're going to draw a smaller circle. So just draw a small little circle here, just kind of overlapping that rectangular shape that we did before. This is going to be the child's head. Okay, there we go. Now we're just going to draw another little rectangle underneath this circular shape. So it comes down just a little bit further past this one, across and down. I'm going to draw a line coming from this top left hand corner. This is going to be the arm, and it's coming around and it's hugging the mum, just like that. We're going to do the feet, so one little foot coming down like that, and another one coming down like so. And the same with the mother. One foot coming down here, and another one slightly longer coming down there. Last but not least, we're going to cut these circles in half with a curved line. So if you cut the circle in half with a curved line, it'll look like that. This one we're going to cut in half, but we're going to start at the top diagonal right point, and we're going to go down to the bottom diagonal left point, just like that. Okay, I'm going to carry on in pen, but please carry on in pencil. It's only so that you can see it better on the camera. So we're going to start off with this amazing hairdo that this mother has. So just draw a line going around and inwards a little bit. So then going to come and join the circle again. So it comes back up round the circle, follows the circle round until we get to about here. And then we're going to draw a line across to the rectangle shape. Okay. From here, we're going to draw a line coming upwards, and then it's going to come round again and down like this and up. And then we're going to have the ear with a little earring here. Okay. And then from the ear, we're going to bring it back, down, round, and then it can join that part there. Okay. Now we're going to draw the rest of the face. So we just draw it going inwards. I'm actually drawing noses on this one. It comes down and round and then up like this. Okay. Then going to draw the neck, which comes round like that. Last but not least, we're going to draw it in the eye. So it's got lovely long eyelashes. So remember, this is a cartoon drawing, so it's not meant to be very realistic. Okay, just like that. Now we're going to carry on with the body. So I'm going to bring the shoulder round. Shoulder comes round like this, comes outwards a little bit, and then we've got the top of the sleeve. So just draw the other side of the sleeve, comes round like this. Okay, I'm going to be drawing the arm. So arm comes down to about here. Then we have the elbow, and it goes inwards a little bit, just like so. I'm going to do the other side. So arm comes into the elbow, and then comes out again, and then round, just like that. Now we're going to be drawing the hand. So drawing all the fingers and the thumb. Just like this, little ring there. I think I might add a watch. There we go. And we're going to follow on with the dress. So we're just going to draw in the waist here. And then it comes back round. And then comes down like so. Then the dress goes inwards and up to there. Okay, now we're going to focus on the child. So let's draw her fabulous hair. She's got bright red hair. So let's draw this fringe. Comes down around. It was super fun coming up with these characters. Well, the author came up with characters, but it was really super fun thinking what they'd look like and kind of what they'd do and how I was going to portray them. It's a really good process. Okay, so the hair comes round, just like this. Now we've got the little face, so draw the cheeks, coming around and up, and then the little eyes. One eye there, and another eye there. This drawing would make a super lovely card for Mother's Day. Drawing some little eyelashes there. Or anyone who just wants to draw something for their mother. Let's give her some freckles. There we go. She's got lots of little freckles now. Okie dokie. So we're bringing the neck down here. And then we need to draw the mother's hand that's just holding her shoulder. So we're going to draw the hand coming down and round. There we go. And then from this side as well. Just like that. Okay, now we're going to be drawing the shoulder of the little girl. Her name's Allie in the book. So draw the top of her t-shirt. I also loved kind of coming up with what Allie would be wearing. She goes on this jungle adventure, so at the moment she's wearing her jungle outfit. Okay, so let's draw the arm, little hand that goes underneath the mother's hand. Then her elbow goes up to meet the hand there. Okay, there we go. So we've got to follow on with the rest of the clothes. So she's just drawing her t-shirt. There we go. Nice baggy t-shirt. Just comes down there. And then her shorts. Like that. And then we also need to draw the mother's dress just coming around here, and then it joins up here. Now we can draw the rest of Allie's hair. Just draw a hair bubble there, comes round the back, just there. Now for her legs, so just draw these little knees. Got really cute little legs here. Inwards and down, and then for the socks, just like so, and then the other one, and then the socks, okay, and then the little shoes. Just like so. Okie dokie. We also need to draw the other arm that's just poking around the back there. Okay, now for the mother's legs. So we're just doing the first one. Comes down and round. I'm just going to draw the shoes in there. There we go. And then this leg. Don't forget to add the little ankle bits. And then the shoes. Just like that. Slight heel on them. Okay. Now, last but not least, we're going to draw the shoulder on the other side. And then the arm. There we go. And then the top of the dress. And then we're going to add in a little necklace with a heart. Or you can personalise it. If your mother has a certain necklace that you want to add, just pop it in. And last but not least, a really beautiful warm smile. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to erase all the pencil lines, but if you haven't gone over it in pen, do so first and then erase the pencil lines. So here's our finished drawing of a mother and child. I really hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, consider subscribing and liking. If you want to find out more about the book, there's a link in the description below. Thanks for joining me today. Bye bye.